So good day everyone. So I am your teacher Willard Bahinting. So let's assume that you are my grade 7 in second quarter. So let's assume that we already had our greetings, prayer, checking of attendance, and also introducing our classroom rules. So students, are you ready to learn some new knowledge for today's lesson? That's right. We should be always ready in learning new things in every day. So in our first activity, we will have an activity. This is activity called Lucky Me. There are some small boxes, and inside in the box there are questions, and that question contains an algebraic expression that can be answered for my true to the three lucky students, and if he or she can answer correctly, he will get an extra point. So are you ready? Okay, very good. You answered well. So here are our final answer for our activity. So do you have any idea what is our topic for today? Anyone? Good. So our topic for today, it's all about algebraic expression. But before that, we were going to review our learning objectives for today's lesson. At the end of this session, the students must able to first identify the algebraic expression according to the number of terms and degree. B. Categorize algebraic expression according to the number of term degree through the activities. And C is appreciate algebraic expression through the given activities. So what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression are classified according to the number of terms and degrees. Let's discuss first the classification of algebraic expression according to the number of terms. So I have here an activity that will help you to understand what is algebraic expression and what is the algebraic expression to the number of terms. Okay, so I have here a table in front of you, and I want you to count how many terms are there in each algebraic expressions, and we will going to classify it according to the number of terms. So the first one is how many terms in there? There are one. So what is the classification? If one term, it calls monomial. In the second term, there are 3x. So what is 3x? 3x has contained one term and it is monomial. And here are the following answers. Okay, so you are very well in identifying the number of terms, and now let's proceed to the classification of algebraic expression according to the number of degrees. So algebraic expressions are classified according to the highest possible exponent or a degree. So I have here also a table that will help you to identify the number of degree and its classification. So the first one is x plus 3. So what is the number of degree? So what is the exponent of the highest exponent? Say it's 1. There are imaginary exponent 1. And what is the classification? So the classification of degree is linear. So if there's 2, it's called quadratic. If 3, it's cubic. If 4, quantic. If 5, quintic. And if 6 and above, it's called polynomial of degree of the number 6, either 8, 7, and so on and so on. Okay, so to deepen your knowledge in identifying algebraic expression and identifying the degree of algebraic expression, so I will going to group you into 5. Each group must work together to provide the correct answer. So the instruction is classify the algebraic expression of each round, and first 4 rounds according to the number of terms, and last 3 rounds according to the number of degree. 10 seconds to identify per round, and after the given time, you will raise your iPads or anything you have. Write the answer and the absolute board. So are my instruction clear? So in the first round, I have here x squared minus 1. So what is x squared? What is the how many terms are there in x squared minus 1? Very good. There are 2. 1 point for group 1. How many number of degree or the degree? There are 2. Okay, very good. So the group 1 will have 5 points. So you are very well in identifying the terms, the degree of algebraic expression. Now get 1/2 sheet of paper. We will having a short quiz for our lesson for today. And then I don't assign assignments for today, so that's all. So do you have any question or clarification about our lesson? None so far. That's good. So that would be all. Thank you, and thank you for listening.